What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to do an unboxing, but it has to do a little with what I'm doing during quarantine. So during quarantine I've been doing a lot of different things, from music to gaming, and as you can tell from the game over in the back, this is going to be a little bit of gaming but magic. So the deck we're going to unbox today is the PlayStation cards deck, which looks really cool from the packaging because it looks like an original PlayStation 1. So we're going to open this up and take a look inside. So I honestly found these by chance. I was looking for a soundbar and like a microphone for gaming, and ended up running into the the back. Actually, it's cool. So it looks like the original PlayStation, which is awesome. It's a tin box, which is kind of cool. The back looks kind of like how the underside would be. And are you more of like an Xbox player or a PlayStation player? Let me know in the comments. But let's open these up and see how it is. Alright, so it comes off like that. And we got some wrapped cards. Now, as we can see from the cellophane, it's a one-way design, which is something I don't favor, but these are kind of cool looking. So let's get this open. Ooh, these got slide. No, they stick. Never mind. So, not the best quality cards, I can already tell. These have way too much black ink. Oh, that's cool, though. From the get-go, it has a one-way design, which I'm not a fan of when doing Magic, but these can definitely be fun if you want to play around a little bit. The Joker, actually, is the controller, which is cool. So you got the two Jokers. And then instead of the normal pips of clubs, hearts, diamonds, and spades, we have the controller buttons, which is X, circle, triangle, and square. So I'm assuming X is going to be spade, triangle is clubs maybe. I'm not sure, but they look cool. So we got just Ace, which is the 1X, and they actually did these kind of cool. This one's got a little bit of blemish on it, which manufacturing wise isn't the best thing, but it goes up in numbers. So they got two X's. That's cool. What they should have did with the 4X is they should have had it in a diamond pattern, though, I feel. But overall, these look kind of cool. And the only thing that sucks, though, is that the court cards are only just kind of like the ace. So it's just, the only thing signifying is the top corner, which kind of isn't too good. So even with this, just, it's a cool concept. They just could have, I feel like they could have did something cooler with it. Ew, here's a little bit of discoloration. But I mean, for being just a PlayStation product and not a full actual playing card product, because I don't even think these are made with, yeah, these are like by a different company in the UK. This isn't even like United States playing cards. These are more cheap paper. Overall, I mean, if you had some kind of gimmick to do, even the corners feel all bleh. If you had some kind of gimmick, like imagine if somebody wrote down like a cheat code and then you somehow presented the diamonds, you know, in a certain order, that'd be kind of cool, I guess. This isn't something I'd perform with again. This is just something to kind of have and enjoy. Yeah, the quality is not, I feel like these will have a nice slide for a good like week or two, and then they'll just start bricking. But that is the PlayStation deck, guys. Overall, I feel like you can get this off PlayStation.com or where any place sells PlayStation products. But it's cool, just not something I'd use. But again, very gimmicky, very good collectible. I mean, this is probably just going to be sitting right up here next to Game Over. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. let me know what decks you guys want me to do next. I really want to do more in-depth with actual cardistry decks people use on the regular for Magic. These are just some fun ones that I found and I really kind of enjoy. Kind of like a souvenir style. Definitely fun, but let me know. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Been seeing a lot of people gliding through in the analytics. Hit the subscribe button. But next week, we'll get into more Magic. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. See you next time.